Phase 1 of the IOCO Takeways Foundation Web Development Program launched in June 2025 with 23 participants from Saldanha Bay in the Western Cape. The course was completed in December of 2025 with participants exceeding performance targets by each developing 12 websites. Despite 7 participants exiting during Phase 1 due to positive transitions into opportunity, 4 students securing employment, and 3 moving on to further studies, the program delivery remained on track and learner support continued without disruption. We are incredibly proud to report that 16 students successfully graduated from Phase 1, completing key milestones and demonstrating strong commitment to building digital skills and employability pathways.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're well, I hope you're blessed, and first and utmost, welcome back. I hope you had a great festive season, and I hope 2025 ended on a positive note for you all. Okay? First and utmost, I'd like to thank our Heavenly Father for sparing us with another year to our lives. And I want to thank our funder IOCO for making all of this possible so that all of us can be here and participate in this program. So thank you, IOCO. Okay, Phase 2 is where things will get more focused and more practical. Okay, so in terms of application, in terms of consistency, and this will basically teach you how to think like a web developer. Remember, being a web developer means that you need to show commitment and you need to show discipline. If you do these things, I only see that Phase 2 can only be rewarding if we approach this as serious as possible. Okay? So with that being said, welcome back and welcome back to Phase 2. I'm extremely excited to work with you all again. Thank you.
Phase 2 commenced on 14th of January 2026. 4 participants exited the program after securing full-time employment, reflecting early positive employment outcomes. This resulted in 16 participants starting Phase 2. The Phase 2 Graduation and Community Business Networking Showcase will take place on the 25th of March 2026. The graduation has been augmented to include a community market day, where local SMEs pitch their businesses and our youth get to showcase their websites and network with the community.
Good day, my name is Lita Gek. I'm a web developer student from Takeways. What I like about the course I've learned so far is to build websites for smaller businesses in my community.
Good day, my name is Mihlali Ngolo and I am a Phase 2 IOCO Takeways Youth Pathway student. Are you excited about what you are going to learn in Phase 2? Yes, I am very excited to become a freelancer and start my own business. With the help of this course, I will definitely be in charge or running my own business in the future. Thank you.
Learning improvements from Phase 1 have resulted in a refined course structure with clearer expectations from the students, weekly client action scripts to build confidence and address fear of rejection, as well as tailored mentorship through improved tracking of individual needs.
Good day, my name is Osmini Sulenawo. I'm a web developer student at Takeways Funder through IOCO. What excites me about this program is having to learn new things on a daily basis, and I enjoy it regularly. Thank you.
And I just want to say thank you to IOCO for funding this development program. Thank you.